So, hello everyone. My name is Isilu, and today I have opened my new, my new page on YouTube, and I named it Slimy Star. So, for this page, I'd like to show you the slimes, the kinetic sands, and the fresh bath bombs. So I'm gonna show you how to DIY them, but first of all I will show you the slimes and the kinetic sand. So at first today I'm gonna show you the slime, slime. This is the pink color. And in the next video, I'm gonna show you the kinetic sand. So this is our slime, M&M slime, and I'm gonna open you. So this is the crystal slime. It's very, very beautiful. It's very, very nice color, the pink color, and I think it will be squished out. Oh, I have been forgotten to tell you that I'm gonna show you also the anti-stress balls. So this video